So at Baker Hughes, we're a company that operates around the world. We're in about 120 countries. We have a lot of influence around the world in that regard, and because we operate in so many places, we have been one of the first companies within our sector to have a net zero promise, and we've been working to deliver on that. And that's very much in line with it's a Paris Agreement aligned goal. It's aligned to science-based targets. And in that regard, we've really worked to implement it at the very base structure of our company. We've got an implementation program that has delivered on about a 30% reduction to date. And we are on track to get to 50% in line with our midterm target by 2030. And so that's our first major piece. The other aspect in how we align with COP in general, the COP Conference of Parties, is that we're also a signatory to the UN Global Compact. And so we try to make sure that we're always taking assessment of that every year and making sure we're right in line, and we report that very transparently year over year to shareholders and to the public and to the UN, actually. So we take it upon ourselves to be a very active member of not just energy sector sorts of collaboration, but because we're an energy and industrials kind of technology company, we're really working to expand into different sectors so that we can collaborate more and more. And when I say collaborate, it isn't just thinking about business to business transaction. It's about thinking about partnerships, because today's energy transition solutions that we're working on really engage communities more, financial institutions, et cetera. And so we really have to work on broader partnerships in a different way. And so examples are, while people think of us as a very classic sort of energy equipment provider, today now we think about how does our technology work in other applications with different kinds of sorts of energy types or sectors. So one example is we work also in geothermal. So Fervo is a company we work with there. We also are looking to use oil and gas kinds of technology in the mining sector, for instance. We think about a lot of different cross applications all of the time so that we can actually expand more and more places that we can bring low carbon solutions to help address the goals of the Paris Agreement.